subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
LG is reportedly working on its upcoming phone under W series called LG W41. And before the launch, the smartphone renders were surfaced online by a popular leakster Event Blast through his blogging platform called Voice. According to leaks, the LG W41 will support a flat screen with a small chin at the bottom, and it has a hole punch cutout at the top left corner for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone looks to be a gradient finish that carries an quad camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The quad rear cameras will include one 48 megapixel main camera, but the other camera details were not known at the moment. The volume rockers and the power button is visible on the right edge, along with an additional button that could be a dedicated Google Assistant button, while on the left appears to have an ejectable SIM card slot. Additionally, the smartphone also spotted to feature an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is suggested to come in Aurora green and blue color options. Apart from this, there is no other details of LG W41 has leaked so far. So, as of now, that's all we know about the LG W41 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.